Terreia Jimison has dedicated over a decade to serving the students, families, and staff at Anna Brochhausen School 88. She has done everything from greeting students in the morning, to stocking the uniform pantry, to supporting staff with lunch duties, and packing snacks for students. Ms. Jimison has built strong relationships with community businesses, securing donations that enhance school programs and provide extra supplies for students and staff. And she is a regular volunteer at school events, helping to build a stronger sense of community. We are thrilled to honor Terreia Jimison with the IPS Volunteer in Action Award. Congratulations!